an easy and quick way without needing to use a PC. We will be using some functions that we will be activating and disabling it for those who always skip ahead in the video tutorial, so that they are aware. After you get ahead, don't say in the comments that these methods didn't work for you, because that works if you do it exactly as we've been explaining in these videos. Tutorials. Here we have that little padlock. We have accessibility. What we're going to do now, it involves connecting to a Wi-Fi network to begin this process. Now we're going to perform a very important function here, which would give us what is that option that allows us to recover and access our device is a process that we have to be in. Connected to a Wi-Fi network so that everything works correctly. A good connection, huh? We will also be explaining some options that need to be activated and deactivate it so we can troubleshoot and recover your phone, eh? Sometimes this is what happened to us, we forgot the screen lock. But let's say you formatted that phone. If you formatted that phone, it tells you here that it is that one alternative to adding that screen lock. You add the screen lock. If you are the kind of person who knows the lock you had on your phone before formatting it, you can add it here and it gives you access to power, recover it without needing to watch this entire video tutorial. That would be one of the first, very important options. It would allow us to recover our phone without watching the video tutorial. Until the end, if you don't know it, you're going to click here where it says Use My Google Account. Here, this would be the second option that it also offers us when we create one when we have a phone, we create a Google account. If you are the person who wrote it down, you suddenly remember her. You can add your email here, then click Next. You add the password and it gives you that access to, if you were to recover it, that would be the second option. It also gives us the third option, which would be this. Add the phone number we had in the email. What do? We add the phone number. We click Next, and we receive a recovery code. We added that recovery code. It also gives us access to recover our phone. That would be, if you don't even know your email, let alone your password, you don't have the phone number, you don't know the screen lock. So let's do this. Let's click here where it says Forget Gmail, and right here. We're going to do it again here too. We're going to do it again here too. Now we're going to do this for 30 seconds. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. This wouldn't help. Enable a feature later. Easy and quick process, easy and simple process. If you do exactly as we'll tell you here, you'll be fine. You will be able to have it, and you will be able to recover your cell phone. Having said all that, after those 30 seconds, what we're going to do is, it's about returning to what it was at the beginning when we are already there. Initially, we will apply the following options. We go here to the start, we go to accessibility, we click here on such and such. We enable this, so we double-click here. We double-click here and click on the second one. Double-click here and we'll click Deny. Then we double-click here and we'll be turning this off. After we turn that off, we're going to tap the screen several times. We click back, Add New Network, we click the gear icon. We give it language, the 3 dots. Update, we go back to the last option. Reset, and we'll be resetting those 4 options. Once we've reset all that, what we're going to do is press the power button, volume down button. At the same time, This is so that our phone restarts. Let's wait for our phone to completely restart. When it has completely restarted, this will finalize the recovery process. Now we still need the final steps, which would be more important. In the video description and in the first pinned comment, you'll be able to find a different method than this one. We have also included some methods that require a PC, including this method without a PC. We have included some methods for PCs for those who also have one. PCs can do it. Tell us what phone model ours worked on for you, method, and on which model it didn't work for you. So I can send you a video, exclusive tutorial for your model. Now what we are going to do is the following. Let's click here, we'll click on Add. This section would lead us here. We click here where this QR code is, and what we are going to do now is the following. We're going to use a completely different phone. We need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. We need to have what is a screen lock. It's important to know about screen lock. It's also important to have a Google account. We need to have one from Google. Given all that, since we already have all that, let's go here to Google where this comes up. Camera, and what we're going to do here, it's about synchronizing all of this. We're going to click on it. It says log in with Google. Log in with my Google account, and we will be synchronizing these two devices. What are we going to do here? We're going to sync both the screen lock and the account that this phone would be synced here on this other phone. That's how easy and quick it would be to synchronize these two devices. Now we wait a few seconds, and then what we do is imitate what we have imitated here on this phone. And that's how we synchronized. Our device is fully synchronized. Now that this little ball appears here, we're going to press the power button. Press and hold the volume down button simultaneously. This will allow the phone to restart. When our phone restarts, let's wait for our phone to take us directly to the home screen. As we have indicated, we have other methods in the video description and in the first comment. Okay, now that that's done, let's wait and see if it takes us directly to the home page. If you restarted, you did exactly as we indicated. Now all that's missing is the final step, where we will be making the final configurations that would take us directly. What is at the beginning? We'll just wait. Okay. Let's wait here, wait a few seconds, then click. Click here to add. We click on Add, we wait a few seconds. Let's wait here for a few seconds. Then he would take us to that section where he would give us what that is. Access to be able to fix and recover our cell phone. As you can see here, that account appears from the Google app that we synced from the other phone. That account will also appear here. Click here where it says Do Not Copy. Here you can add your screen lock. I'm going to click here to jump. I'm going to click here to jump. The email will appear again here. Click Accept. Click here to continue. We'll give it here. No thank you, sorry. We'll wait a few seconds. Now we give these small print again, small print again. Now click here on skip. We click skip, we select skip, we click here on add, we click next. We waited a few seconds. Let's wait a few seconds. We'll wait a few seconds. We are almost finished with this recovery process. Once we recover this phone, it will be completely ready to use. Let's click next here. Let's click finish here. Now that we're at the beginning, we would already have an account from Google because the phone we had was linked to that Google account. Here you already have the Google account on your phone. Here you can see that he already has that account that had a phone number. The other phone I had got synced here. We click here, as you can see.